Okay, if you're watching this video, you know that eBay had a glitch, and during a time period in June, for a total of 4 days, um, any listing that got renewed without all of the pictures. So if you're trying to figure out how to get your pictures back, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. I just usually open up 3 tabs when I'm doing it. I'm just going to give you an example of how to do it here. You go to your listing that only has one or no pictures. I've already fixed this one. You go down and you get the item number. You copy it right there. And copy it. You go to another tab. You type in eBay item and paste that number in there. Hit enter. And the very top one is the listing that we are working with. Okay, so if you click on it, you're not going to have any pictures. But if you come over here to this little arrow where it says cached, right there where my cursor is, click on that, and then click on the cache version, and it'll bring up your listing with your pictures. So you click inside the box, and then right click and save image. And save it, and then go to the next one. And that's a quick way of getting your pictures back if you don't have them backed up. And you can do this with 99% of your listings. Sometimes they won't be there, but this will hopefully get you back up and get your pictures restored. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.